Hey guys, it's TankTamer145 here, and today I'm just doing a review on my computer. I finally finished it, except for my second graphics card, which was refusing to work.
Oh, wrong motherboard.
Yeah, exactly, wrong motherboard.
Well, the
It's
Crossfire version, not the Sly version.
Yep. Screw you, MSY. Anyway, it's got an i7-2700K, a GTX 560, hopefully one day too, a Thermaltake power supply, which is probably going to explode one day, but yeah, it's got the, what is it, the Asus Z68 VLX motherboard.
Crossfire version.
Yes, the Crossfire version.
The GeForce card.
Yeah, the VLE is the Sly version for Nvidia, so fuck you. Well, I'd probably just started recording the ground then. Yeah, I've got my 24-inch monitor. It's an LG Flatron with my Xbox. Hell, that's dark. Can't really help you with that. With my AOA TV. That's so high end. And then I've got a Razer Black Widow Expert, not Ultimate, because, well, one, it wasn't in my budget when I bought my computer, and two, that it was out of stock. Razer Goliathus mouse pad, just a Thermaltake mouse, or TTE sports mouse. I've got some speakers up there, but you don't need to worry about them, because they're not even plugged in or set up.
They are actually.
Well, they are, they're just not plugged in. And for all you Naruto people, there's only about 100 DVDs. No, there's 7, 18, 19. Other than that, I've overclocked it, the i7. Other than that, not really that much has changed since the last video that I showed you my computer. My hard drive is a 1 tera, or my main is my storage is a 1 terabyte Hitachi 7200 RPM hard drive. And my boot drive is a SSD, which is the Patriot Pyro. Probably going to explode one day, but other than that, oh yeah, lots and lots and lots of things plugged into a power board. That's going to set on fire. And this is Josh!
Hi, I'm here, just because I am. I'm Trackmania. My computer is clearly superior to the one that he's showing you.
Yeah, totally. What have you got in yours?
It's an AMD Phenom 2 quad-core, 8 gigs of RAM, and a Radeon HD 6770.
Oh, that reminds me, I've got 16 gig of 1333 G-Skill RAM.
Yeah,
Sniper.
good for you. And you've never used more than 4.
No, I've never used more than 8. And that's when I was playing Minecraft! Dedicated 8 gig of RAM. So required.
Yep.
Yeah. With some epic AV Lab speakers.
Those aren't mine, guys.
Yeah, they're mine.
Yeah. At my actual house, I have a decent sound system for this.
Yeah. His YouTube account is BlueBlur444. You should go and check it out. So. Alright. That should be the end of this video. Goodbye!